This is a comp corner, and this is H.O.W Motorsports. Today on H.O.W Motorsports, we will be installing this comp cut corner armor from Dave's Customs on my Yj project. So first step, what you want to do is, my corners did not come with pre-drilled mounting holes. So we are going to mount the corner up onto the Jeep, and we're going to lay out where all my holes are going to be for my mounting holes first. Alright, sweet, good deal, thank you. Boom. Now I'm going to start laying out all of my holes. Now I'm going to, there was some already pre-existing holes in my tub from some other body armor that was on there, so I just traced from the back onto this one. And I'm getting ready to unbolt it, drill those holes out, mount them, and then I'll actually drill the rest of my holes that aren't already in my body into the rest of the tub. Now I have all of my holes drilled throughout the whole body, and it kind of mocked up. I traced my line for where I'm going to cut everything out. Now inside of here is a little plate that we have to drill a couple spot welds out so that we can break it loose. You could cut down the side of it, but I like to do the spot welds. It makes a little bit cleaner cut. So I'm gonna get to starting to cut this up. Now this is the plate that I'm telling you about. That's got spot welds along here, across here, down here. I have to get this broke loose so that we'll have it all cleared out for the comp corner. So now I have the little plate removed that was sitting inside of here. I've got it all cleaned up. So at a later time, I'm gonna drill the 4-inch hole for a tail light. But I mean, y'all know how to drill a 4-inch hole. It's not that hard. But that is how it looks at the moment. I'll bolt it back together, and then that'll be all she wrote. So it's kind of hard to line it all back up by myself, so I just got a couple bolts in it just so y'all can kind of see how it's going to look. But that is a Dave's Custom comp cut for a YJ. Now I will say, if you do this, you're going to want to, up underneath here where your roll cage mounts, you're going to want to put a little plate in, bolt it together, and then go from your plate down to your frame to tie it all in, because you lose all your structural support when you take out this support. To give y'all a little update on this project, this is my I think it's an 89 Jeep Yj. I've had a 4.2 in it, and the 4.2 let a buddy use it, and the 4.2 ended up letting go with him. So it's been sitting over in the woods ever since. I decided that I've had some parts laying around. Why not go ahead and let's build this thing right? So this is the newest build of all the ones we have, but this one should be done first. I'm putting most of our focus to this one to get this one done, and then we'll go back to the JKU and some of the other little buggy projects and stuff. But this will be our main concern right now, is knocking this one out. But we're doing Dana 44 8-lug front, Dana 60 rear, LS with a 4L60 and a 241C. It's going to have a mild built motor, a little bit of trans work done, just an overall pretty cool daily driver. It's going to be stretched 9 inches in the rear. The front's going to stay the same. I'm getting it ready for paint right now. We're going to monster line it. We'll walk y'all through that. But if you like this video, hit that like button, comment, subscribe, hit that bell, and like always, get out there and build something.
MGJ.